Hello everybody, Lady Luck Scratcher here, and today I have 3 of the $215 million cash explosions from the Arizona lottery. These are $20 tickets where you can win. Let's see, they have 8 $2.5 million prizes. Again, you can win up to $215 million. You can win up to 25 times. I have ticket numbers 15, 16, and 17. Let's see, the odds on these tickets are 1 in 3.09. And again, you can win up to from 20 to 2.5 million. So let's go ahead and start scratching. All right, let's scratch off our winning numbers here. Come on. Oh, this is thick. Let's try our little guy. All right, maybe this one's a little bit better. All right, winning numbers are 29, 16, 26, 24, 6, 39, and 23. Let's get a winner. Come on now. And they do have, on this, we're looking for our matching numbers, but they do have a money bag symbol and the 20X on this ticket. So let's start scratching. Let's see, 42, no 42. 18, no 18. 46, no 40s. 32, no 32. 31, no 31. 20X, all right, we'll take that for sure. Let's see if we can get some more. 12, no 12. 22, we got 23. We have 1. 25, nope, we got 26. 36, 39. 17, we got 16. 24, all right, another match, 24. And we have 11. 13. 50, no 50s. 41, no 40s. 2, no 2. It was 6. 35. 39. 38, 39. 10, no 10. 19, nope, no 19. 40, no 40s. 28, 29, and 44. All right. Well, we had number 24 here. Let's scratch this one here for $10. All right, and the 20X, let's see what we got. Big zeros, come on. And we have $1. So $30 on this ticket here. All right. Okay, let's keep the winning going here. Scratch our winning numbers. Are 33, 26, 34, 39, 42, 9, and 48. All right, start down here again. Sometimes I like starting down on the bottom. 13, 14, no. 44, no 44. 16, no 16. 50, no 50s. 46, no. 6, nope. 40, no 40. 24, no 24. 8, no 8. 22. 3, 11, 45, no 45, 32, we have 33, 17, 29, nope, 26, 49, we got 48, 41, we have 42, no one away, come on, 2, let's go, 21, 30, 18, 31, and 35, got 34. All right, let's hope 17 is a big winner. Like number 17. I think that's my number 17. I seem to do good on the tickets. So let's hope so for a big win. Big zeros, come on. So 40, 16, 13, 23, 47, 31, and 35. 29, no, 29, 5, no, we have no single digits there. 30, we got 40, 43, come on. 34, we got 35, 9, no single digits, 19, no. 11, nope. 48, no, we got 47, 37, no 37, no 2, no 1, no 4, 14, we got 13, 22, we got 23, 18, 38, 3, 50, no 50s, 17, we got 16, 8, single digits, 44, 42, 15, we got 16, and 27. Well, ticket 17 didn't pan out for us, but we did get $130 on ticket 15. So thank you everybody for watching. We'll just put that in the ticket fund there. And everybody, you have a great day. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. And thank you again everybody for watching.